Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can manage Samsung Internet email folders on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen and then open up the Samsung email app. Next, tap on the menu key on the left hand side, and then we want to go down and tap on the settings icon. In here, tap on manage folders. Now in here you can choose which folder to show or hide. So for example, if you want to hide the VIP folder, you can hide it. You can also rearrange the folder by simply touch and hold on the up and down arrow button and then move it up and down like this. So you can arrange it like that and then tap on the back key. So now you can see that the VIP folders has been hidden or deselected. If I go back into my inbox, then we no longer can see the VIP folder. And to create a folder in relation to your email service, you can tap on the add folder at the bottom here. And in here you can choose where to save the folder and then give a folder a name and then tap on create. And that's it. So that is how you can manage Samsung email folders on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Now if I touch and hold into that, I can also create subfolder, I can delete the folder, or I can rename the folder. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.